Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. In this step-by-step tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of customizing your mouse cursor. Say goodbye to the generic and embrace a cursor that reflects your personality. Join me as we learn how to customize the mouse cursor on Windows 11 and make your computer truly your own. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To change the color and size of the mouse cursor, use these steps. Click on the Start button in the taskbar and launch the Settings app. Navigate to the Accessibility option found on the left pane. Scroll down to Mouse and click on it. Under Related Settings, click on Mouse Pointer. Choose from 4 types of mouse pointers. Click on the one you like to see it in effect. Use the slider under the Cursor Style options to adjust the size of the mouse pointer. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful in making your computer truly yours, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Stay tuned for our next video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.